So she's cute. She'll do for the night. Do I think I'm going to wipe her up?
Because you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Ooh, you beautiful mother jumpers, I'm back, okay? I kind of changed the settings on my camera, so I want y'all to bust down and let me know what y'all think about them, okay? Because I'm gonna have my opinion, y'all gonna have yours, and I'm curious about what y'all think. I'm back. I'm getting back into my synthetic wig bag, and who better to do it with than one of my OG companies, okay? This is a Zury Sis sister wig. They came out with a brand new collection. This is the Layer Beam Colors, okay? LF-PALI. Pali? I like Pali better, okay? She's a 5-inch hand-tied part. HD lace front wig. I'm gonna pull her out the pack and let's see what she's working with. It's my birthday weekend. Me and my girlfriends are going out, okay? This is Pali. Let me show you her card, her stock card, all right? We have her in the color number 1B, but look at the colors that she comes in. I wasn't ready to be going through all that and doing all that, so guess what? I didn't, okay? But let's get into the cap construction. She has 2 combs in the front, let me get her out. 1 in the back, okay? Adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Still, okay? This unit looks like she is going to be super duper easy. She's currently going for just about $40 on most wig sites, so also very inexpensive. I'm gonna shut my Mimi Tate mouth, okay? Chop this Mimi Tate lace off and get mother together.
All right, my loves, let's get on into this Zury Sis Beyond Synthetic HD Lace Front Wig LF-PALI. Is it Pali or Pali? What are y'all saying? So this unit is really, really nice. It's a 4-inch hand-tied part, okay? I have her in the color number 1. She's currently going for just under $40 on most wig sites. Now, this unit to me is really relatively snug. I thought that it could have standed to have a little bit more room in the cap area. I do love that it's a hand-tied part because I kind of love the ease of units like this that you could just pull out and put the like, oh, I'm getting with it, huh? Oh, okay, sis. I was having a good time, wasn't I? But no, I do love units like this that are super easy to get together. I'm just going on through, darkening up the part. This unit is very synthetical. That's the only thing I didn't like. It's very synthetical. Like, I'm trying to figure out why the hair isn't better. However, for just under $40, something I could throw on and go, I was kind of here for it. So this unit you can find again on most wig sites. She did tangle. She didn't shed much, but she did tangle, okay? I do want to caveat that way. I did use a comb and not a wig brush, which is my issue. And I would not recommend doing that. Please always use a wig brush on your synthetic wigs especially. But I don't know, y'all. Let's dig on into this and I'll see you on the other side.
So we're done. I'm not doing nothing else to her. She's done. This is my thing though. Now, this is a 5x5 lace. She looks really good to me. To me, she looks really good. However, if I had more time, I probably would wear a different wig. That's my truth. And that's only because this is nice, right? Like, I think I see where they're going with this, but I'm just not so what happened was, up in here was very thick. I don't know if you guys noticed it. When I put her on, she looked a bit Humpty Mumpty, okay? Like a little bit Humpty Mumpty, and we're not really here for all that. So when I'm going through, I'm just like literally trying to zhuzh her a bit, flatten her out at the top, but still give her her nice neck, the curl pattern that she came with, right? Because that's why we buy synthetic wigs, for real, for the curl pattern that they provide. Like, let's be honest, right? So she's cute. She'll do for the night. Do I think I'm going to wipe her up? I'm gonna have to give y'all an update on that. Now let me turn around. Y'all tell your good sis if you can see her tracks. I can feel them already. So I'm gonna put you back. All right, let me do this. And tell me if you can see these tracks now. Okay. So I'm again pretty much into this. I'll stand up so you guys can see. This dress is from J Lux label. I'll stand up in the front so you guys can see the front too. She's really cute though. She's a vibe. I think that this unit is cute. I kind of like that the hair isn't too long, okay? She's very, very synthetical. Very synthetical. And, you know, you all know I've been doing a lot of human hair wigs. So, very synthetical. Just taking a little bit of getting used to again. But we back. Like, you know what I mean? We back like we ain't never been back. I think she'll be cute for the night, though. I'm going to a comedy show. I'm going to see Dion Cole with my girlfriends at the Wynn. So, you know, you still got to be sexy. And I think that's what I'm giving. I think I'm still giving cute and fly and sexy. And for $40, we got a cute little situation going on. Let's see what she doing like this. Oh, yeah, mama's a vibe. Mama's a vibe. I'm gonna leave her alone. I don't know about that. But she cute, though. She's not really, I don't know why she's not giving the stock card. Maybe I gotta do this. Maybe she's supposed to be like that. So instead of combing the curls out, I'm combing them in. But you see what I mean by the synthetical? Mama's a bit tangly. I am using a comb and not a brush, so that has something to do with it as well. But I mean, maybe. Okay, I can see that. I can see it for her like that. I can see it for her like that. She's giving Aaliyah vibes, and we like that. We do. We really do. I think she's sexy. I'm giving black ass Bessica Brabbit, okay? Blackity black, black, okay? The Cadbury bunny in this bitch. And I'm gonna win it! So bust down, wish me a happy birthday. Tell me you love how chocolate I am right now. And I am going to see you guys on the other side. This unit, that, like I said, the texture of the hair is synthetical. The cap is snug, okay? But I ain't gonna lie, for $40, mama's cute. But I'm gonna do a little video, insert it so y'all can see what I'm looking like at the end of the night too, okay? So if you have not already, again, bust down, subscribe to the Mimi Tech channel. We are growing and glowing, all right? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye!